Good morning students, welcome to all. Last class we completed till the question number 4. Now we are going to see the question number 5. Question number 5, in a cycle factory 1560 bicycles were manufactured every day. Find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. So first clear with the question, what is given? 1560 bicycles were manufactured every day. Here every day means the one day. So one day manufactured 1560 bicycles. So write that what is given, number of bicycles manufactured in one day. How many bicycles? 1560. The question is, find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. So 25 days we are going to find out. Sorry, where? Okay, listen to me. One day 1560 bicycle. Here 25 days we are going to find out. 1 day to 25 days. Okay, least to highest. So we can go for the multiplication. So 25 days, 25 into 1560. Okay, multiply in rough column. 25 to 1560. Okay, right side keep the smallest number. So here 25 I am writing in the right side, 1560 into 25. Okay, 5 table, 5 into 0, 0, 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 is a reminder, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3, 28, reminder 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, next digit we are going to take, so first place star, next 2 into 0, 0, 2 6 are 12, 2, reminder 1, next 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 reminder, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, add the number now, 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, reminder 1, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, then 3. So the answer is 39,000. So how many bicycles were manufactured? 39,000 bicycles manufactured in 25 days. Okay, once again listen to the question. The question is 1 day to 25 days, so we are multiplying here. Okay, we can go for the next question. Question number 6, 62,500 was equally distributed as New Year bonus for 25 employees of the company. How much did each receive? Okay, listen here. 62,500 New Year bonus for 25 employees. Okay, what is given, right? First, New Year bonus for 25 employees, 62,500. Okay, New Year bonus for 25 employees, 62,500. The question is, how much did each receive? Here the each means one employee. Okay, so find for the one employee. So New Year bonus for one employee. Here listen, 25 employees to one employee we are finding out. Highest to least, so we are going for the division. 62,500 divided by 25. Now go for the division in left column. 62,500, 25 table, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75. Here the first two digit take it out, 62, it's nearly 2 times, so 25 twos are 50. Here subtraction, 2, 6 minus 1, 5, bring the next digit, 5, 125, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, 5 times 125, there is no remainder. Okay, see here 2 zeros are there, so the going for 2 zeros down, okay, instead of that you can have a clue, 2 zeros are remainder, so in the quotient also put 2 zeros. Okay, so now the answer is rupees 2,500. Rupees 2,500. New Year bonus for one employee is 2,500. Are you all clear? Once again I tell you, here finding out 25 employee to 1 employee, so we are going for division. In the question number 5, 1 day to 25, least to highest, so we are going for the multiplication. Clear? Okay, now we can go for the question number 7. Simplify the following numerical expression. Okay, whenever you see the word of simplify and solve, we use the BODMAS rule. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In the bracket we have types. The first one is bar, next one parenthesis, next one is curly bracket, next is square bracket. Okay, in this order only we are going to solve the question. The first option, 10 plus 17, here we have bracket divided by 3. So here bracket is first one, simplify the bracket. What is inside of the bracket? 10 plus 17, add 10 plus 17 is 27. We simplified the bracket, so you don't want to put the bracket here. 27 divided by 3. So 27 by 3, 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So answer is 9. Okay, clear everyone? Once again I explain you the question. First listen to me. Bracket is there, so first importance for the bracket. This is parenthesis. First simplify inside of the bracket, whatever is there simplify. Here plus, so we are adding 10 plus 17 is 27. The division as it is, right? 3 also as it is. Next 27 divided by 3, 27 by 3, 3 table 9 times. So our answer is 9. Okay, next option. Option 2, 12 minus, this is called square bracket, 3 minus curly bracket, 6 minus parenthesis, 5 minus 1, then everything we are closing. Okay, now we are going for simplification. See here we have 3 types of bracket. Which bracket is first? Parenthesis. So this we are going to simplify first. So remaining numbers write as it is, 12 minus bracket, 3 minus bracket, 6 minus, inside of this see that symbol is minus, 5 minus 1 is 4. Then this bracket no need because we simplified. Next curly bracket, square bracket. So next which bracket you solve? Curly bracket. Write other number as it is. 12 minus 3 minus 6 minus 4 is 2. So this bracket is over, square bracket. 12 minus this bracket, square bracket we are going to remove. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, the bracket is over. 12 minus 1 is 11. So the answer is 11. Okay, so go carefully. First parenthesis, curly, square bracket. Go step by step. Write the remaining numbers as it is. Next option 3. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus curly bracket parenthesis minus 6 divided by 2 curly bracket. Okay, now listen to me. Which is first? Brackets. The brackets, we have two types of bracket. First is parenthesis. So simplify this first. Remaining terms write as it is. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus bracket 3 2s are 6 minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, next we are going to solve the curly bracket. Inside of the curly bracket we have two signs, minus, division. Okay, in the BODMAS rule, division is first, afterwards only subtraction. So go for the division first. Remaining numbers write as it is. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus curly bracket 6. Okay, this division is first. I am going for the rough column. 6 by 2. Okay, 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 minus 3. So next we have the one more bracket, curly bracket, we are going to solve. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus, okay, we are going to solve this, so no need bracket. 6 minus 3 is 3. Right here as 3. Okay, now no brackets are there. So other than bracket we have the order division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So division is first. So divide this first, rough column, 8 by 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 100 write as it is. 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4 plus 3. Here everything plus sign, so you can add 100 plus 4 is 104, 104 plus 3 is 107. So our answer is 107. Okay, write the question correctly first, check the question. Okay, afterwards go for the brackets are very important. Okay, we have two types of bracket. So in this parenthesis first, next curly bracket. Okay, 3 2s are 6 we solve, then curly bracket. Inside of the curly bracket we have division first, then only subtraction. So I simplify the division. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Next curly bracket, 6 minus 3 is 3. Then here plus and division is there. Division is first. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I have written 4. Next addition, add every number. Answer is 107. Okay, clear? Next we are going for objective type question. Question number 8. The value of 3 plus 5 minus 7 into 1 is dash. Option A is 5, option B is 7, option C is 8, option D is 1. See the question. The value of 3 plus 5 minus 7 into 1 is dash. Write the question separately. 3 plus 5 minus 7 into 1. BODMAS rule. BODMAS, okay, division after multiplication, after that addition, subtraction. Here I write this. Multiple only first, after that only addition, then subtraction. So I am going to multiply this first. Remaining write as it is. 3 plus 5 minus 7 1s are 7. Okay, next addition, afterwards subtraction. So add these two numbers. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is 1. Answer is option D. Okay, clear? You can go for the next question. Question number 9. The value of 24 divided by 8 minus parenthesis 3 into 2 curly bracket is dash. Option A 0, option B 12, option C 3, option D 4. Write the question separately first. 24 division 8 minus 3 into 2. Okay, now the brackets, we have two types of bracket. This is curly bracket, parenthesis. This give importance for the first. So 3 2s are 6. 24 divided by 8 minus 3 2s are 6. Next curly bracket simplify, minus 8 minus 6 is 2. So 24 divided by 8 minus 6, 2. Next only division, divide the number by 2, 24 by 2, 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the answer is 12. The answer is option B. Next question number 10. Use, in the book it's given as bid mass, change to board mass. Use board mass and put the correct operator in the box. The question is 2. Here no signs are given. Operator means we have 4 operation, plus, minus, multiple, division. 6 minus 12 division, 4 plus 2 equal to 10. We have two sides. This is your left hand side, right hand side. Okay, the left hand side if you solve, you will get the right hand side answer. So we are going to solve the left hand side. The options are plus, option B minus, option C multiplication, option D division. Okay, see the question number 10. 2 box 6 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 2. Okay, I have taken the left hand side. We are going to prove the answer right hand side. So here we have 4 operation, plus, minus, multiple, division. If we go for one by one, it will take time. Actually the answer is option C. From option C I am going to prove the answer. Here I am going to put the multiple sign. 2 into 6 minus 12 division 4 plus 2. Okay, first preference for the bracket, simplify the bracket, remaining right as it is. 2 into 6 minus 12 division 4 plus 2 is 6. Next here we have multiple, subtraction, division. Division is first, so simplify this. 12 divided by 6. 6 table, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 2 times. Write remaining as it is. 2 into 6 minus 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, next we have multiplication and subtraction. Okay, first we go for the multiplication. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. So we get the right hand side answer as 10. So the answer is already, I told you the answer is multiplication. We got the answer 10, so our answer is correct. Answer option C. Okay, clear everyone? The exercise 1.3 is over. Now we are going for estimation of numbers. What is mean by estimation? For example, okay, today's news, okay, in Salem, more than 200 people affected by corona. The 200 is not an exact value, it's a rough value. So rough value of the number is called estimation. Okay, so here in day-to-day life, we are estimating so many things. Okay, for example, today's class, okay, 10 boys are absent. The number 10 is not an exact number, it may be more or less. Okay, we have the rule for estimation, okay, for nearest place values, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, let me write the rule about it, then we can go for the problems. So estimation of number, it denotes the number not exactly. But little more or less. See this, it denotes a number not exactly but a little more or less. It's called rounding of numbers. It's called rounding of numbers. Okay, whenever you round off the number, we start to use the word nearly, approximately, more than, less than. Okay, so when you use these four words, okay, it's not an exact number. Okay, now we are going for round off to the nearest tens. Round off to the nearest tens. We have the rule. The first point is find the digit in tens place. Find the digit in tens place because question nearest tens. So find the digit in tens place. Look at the digit to its right. Look at the digit to its right. This is second point. Third point. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, add 1 to tens place. Add 1 to tens place. If the digits zero, 1, 2, 3 or 4, leave it, it's unchanged, the number will not be changed. Next fourth point, last point. Then after doing these 2 points, any one will be done, either 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 means you will add 1. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 means you will leave it. You leave that Afterwards, then change the digit to the right of tens place to zeros. So for example, I will give one number 456. 456, round off nearest tens. Nearest tens. Okay, now first point, find the digit in tens place. Which is tens? Ones, tens. This is tens. I underline the tens place. Next point, look at the digit to its right. This is a right side, yes or no? So for the look at the digit to its right side, right digit I encircled. Next, if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, add 1 to the tens place. So here our digit is 6. Okay, it belongs to here at this point. So we are adding 1 to the tens place. Add 1 to the tens place. So now next point, any one will be done. Then change the digit to the right of tens place to zeros. Okay, here tens place, right of tens place, what is there? You have to write as 0. Now, write the number 4 as it is. Here I added 5 plus 1 is 6. Right side, whatever number is there, put 0. Okay, so nearest tens is 456. Nearest tens, if we round off, the answer is 460. Okay, clear? Once again I explain you. First listen to me. Find the nearest tens place. Tens place I underline. To the right side, what is the digit? Find out. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, add 1 to the tens place. Okay, I added 5 plus 1 is 6. Afterwards, what is right of the tens place? Change into zeros. Clear everyone? So likewise we can go for the nearest hundreds. Round off to nearest hundreds. Same points only we are going to write. Find the digit in here hundreds. So hundreds place. Find out the hundreds place first. Okay. Next point. Look at the digit to its right. This is your second point. Next, third point, the digits, the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, add 1 to which place? Hundreds place. Or, okay, this point, if it is not, okay, you can go for the next point. If the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, leave it. The number is unchanged. The number is unchanged. After completing this, then change the digit to the right of 100 place. Right of hundreds place to zeros. Once again I'll explain you. First find the digit in hundreds place. Look at the digit to its right. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, add 1 to hundreds place. If the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, leave it, the number is unchanged. Then change the digit to the right of 100 place to zeros. Okay, example. I am taking 1236. The number is 1236, nearest hundreds. Nearest 100 we are going to round off. What will you do first? Find the digit in hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So underline. Next point, look at the digit to its right. The right of the 2 is 3. Encircle it. Okay, here the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Add 1. Our digit is 3. So next point. The digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Leave it. So here our digit is 3. So you leave it. Then change the digit to the right of 100 place to 0. Right of 100's place, these 2 digits are there. Change into 0. So write the other 2 digits as it is. 1, 2, remaining 2 places 0, 0. So how will you read this? 1200. Okay, 1236. Round off to the nearest 100 is 1200. Clear everyone? Likewise, we can go for the thousands, 10,000, lakh, crore. Okay. Shall we go for the exercise? Exercise 1.4. First question, fill in the blanks. Option 1, the nearest 100 of 843 is dash. The nearest 100 of 843. Question is 843 right here. Nearest 100. First underline the hundreds place. I have underlined the hundreds place. Right of the hundreds place is tens place. I encircle it. Okay, I encircled. Okay, now the number is less than 5. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number is unchanged. So I am writing 8 as it is. Okay. Next point is the hundreds place. Right of the hundreds place 0. So remaining 2 places 0. Okay. So the answer is 800. Answer is 800. Listen to me once again. First underline the hundreds place. I have underlined. Next right of the digits encircled. I encircled. Okay, this is less than 5. So number is unchanged. So I have written 8 as it is. Remaining 2 places 0, 0. Answer is 800. Likewise, option 2. The nearest 1000 of 756 is dash. Write the number separately. 756. Ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands. Do we have thousands place? No. So just you consider as thousand place as 0. So because here given nearest to 1000. So here there is no thousands. Okay, you consider as 0. Underline the thousands place. Go for the right of the digit 7. It's more than 4. more than 4 means, which means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So add 1 to the 1000 place. 0 plus 1 is 1. Remaining places 0, 0, 0. So the answer is 1000. Next option 3. The nearest 10,000. The nearest 10,000 of 85,654 is dash. Write the number separately. 85,654. Okay, nearest 10,000. Find the 10,000 place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. This is your 10,000. Underline it. Near to 10,000, thousands place is 5. It's more than 4. You can add 1 to it. Okay, so 8 plus 1, 9. Remaining places put 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. So you will read as 90,000. Answer is 90,000. Next, say true or false. Option 1, 8,567 is rounded off as 8,600 to the nearest 10. Go for the question. 8,567 is rounded off as 8,600. Okay, this number is rounded off as 8,600. Nearest tens. Either it's correct or wrong, we are going to check. First write the question. 8,567. Nearest tens. So tens place underline. Okay, next near to that ones place encircle. Okay, it's more than 4. So what will you do? Add 1 to the tens place. Remaining number you can write as it is 8, 5, 6 plus 1, 7, right of the digit 0. Okay, so now the answer should be 8,570, but here the answer is given as 8,600. So this statement is false. Given statement is false. Next option. Option 2, 139 is rounded off as 100 to the nearest 100. 139 is rounded off as 100 to the nearest 100. So the question is 139. Round of nearest 100 is given. Nearest 100 means first underline the hundreds place. Encircle the right of digit. The digit is less than 5. So the number is unchanged. So write the 1 as it is. Remaining places 0, 0. So 139 rounded off as 100. So the given statement is correct. So the answer is true. Next option 3. 1 crore 70 lakhs 51,972 is rounded off as 1 crore 70 lakhs. 1 crore 70 lakhs to the nearest lakh. To the nearest lakh. Write the question first. 1 crore 70 lakh 51,972. Okay, nearest lakh. First to find the lakhs place. ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Okay, here it's given as lakh. So underline the lakh and right of digits encircle it. Okay, right side encircle. The number is more than 4. Okay, which means 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, so you can add 1 to the lakhs place. Added 1. Okay, now it become as 0 plus 1, 8. Remaining place write as it is 1, 7, 0 plus 1, 1. Remaining places 0, 0, 0, 0. So you will read as 1 crore 71 lakhs. Okay, the answer is 1 crore 71 lakhs. What is given in the question? See this. Answer is given as 1 crore 70 lakhs. So our statement is wrong. So false statement. Next we are going for the question number 3. Round off the following to the given nearest place. Option 1, 4,065, 100, nearest 100 place. Okay, nearest 100 place. Underline the hundreds place first. Ones, tens, hundreds. Underline. Right of the digit encircle. The digit is 6. Okay, more than 4, so add 1. Write the 4 as it is. 0 plus 1, 1. Right of the hundreds place 0. So 2 places are there. 0, 0. So our answer is 4,100. Okay. Next option. 44,555 nearest 1,000. Write the question separately. 44,555. Find the 1,000 place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, 1,000 place. Near to 1,000 place. Number encircle 5. 5 comes means you can add 1 to the number hundreds, thousands place. So 4 plus 1 it becomes as 5. This 4 write as it is 4. 4 plus 1 5. Remaining places 0, 0, 0. So it's rounded off as 45,000. Next option 3. 86,943 nearest to 10,000. Nearest to 10,000. Write the question. Find the 10,000 place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Underline the 10,000 place. Encircle the near value. It's more than 4. More than 4. So add 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Remaining places enter with 0. So 86,943 rounded off to 90,000. Option 4 likewise. 50 lakhs 81,739 lakh. Go for the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. Lakh only is given. Underline the lakh. Encircle to the nearest value. 8. I encircled. It's more than 4. So add 1. 5. 0 plus 1, 1. Remaining places 0. 0, 0, 0. Okay. So it's 50 lakhs 81,739 rounded off to 51 lakhs. Option 5, 33 crore 75 lakhs 98,482, 10 crore. Nearest to 10 crore. Write the number 33 crore 75 lakhs 98,482. Go for the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Underline the 10 crore digit and encircle the nearest one. The nearest one is 3. It is less number, so write as it is 3. Remaining places fill with 0. So how will you read this? 30 crore. Next, question number 4. Estimate the sum. Here the sum means plus. Estimate the sum. 1,57,826 and 32,469 rounded off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, listen to me. Estimate the sum, which means addition. These two numbers are given. First round it off to the nearest 10,000, then go for the addition. So the first number is 1,57,826. Okay, nearest to 10,000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Underline the 10,000, encircle the nearest one. It's more than 4, so add 1, 5 plus 1, 6. Remaining places 0, 0, 0. Okay, next number is 32,469. 32,469. Likewise, okay, go for the estimation nearest to 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, 10,000 here. Nearest one, encircle it. It is less number. Okay, so it's unchanged, right, as it is 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now the question is estimate the sum. So add the two numbers. Sum equal to 1,60,000 plus 30,000. If you add, you will get as 1,90,000. Okay, clear everyone? Question is estimate the sum. 1,57,826 and 32,469 rounded off to the nearest 10,000. So two numbers we rounded off and we found the answer. 1,90,000. The question number 4 is over. The question number 5 we'll see in the next class.